Hey, Editor Brian here. Thanks for joining the video. This happened just after I recorded the review for this Triumph Moto 2 that I recently got, and if you'd like to see that video, it's top right or in the description below. It's just a little footage of me randomly finding a group ride and having some fun and making new friends. So I hope you enjoy.
We're just best friends immediately. Oh yeah, another thing I like about this, dude, regardless of what gear you're in, pretty much like first or second, it rarely stalls out because it just has so much low end torque. Yo, that sequential sequential dirt signal is fire. Just some influencers doing their thing. Fable has them too, believe it or not. Alright. Oh boy, okay, maybe not. Maybe we can't. We'll go through here though, hopefully we don't hit anything. Yeah, she gets up there, man. Alright, where are we going? Nope. Is this a VW van in front of me? What's going on here, dude? This is really cool. Oh yeah, dude. That's awesome. But yeah, for dailying, I mean, Moto 2 edition, a little too much. Standard STRS is probably the perfect daily, I would assume. Maybe you'll want to chime in the comments. If you have an STRS and you wanted to get this one, and you couldn't get one because of stock or because of the extra, whatever, $2,000 it is, or $3,000, I don't even know, dude, honestly. I always buy my bikes, how do you say, used? So it was a pain in the ass trying to find one of these. But yeah, if you have an STRS and you daily it as a commuter, like, let us know how it is in the comments, man. Before, also, like, point out to me if I'm spouting bullshit, because obviously I don't want to do that. I don't want to be like, yeah, STRS regular is, like, best daily bike ever, and then it's a piece of crap, you know? I will tell you, dude, I will tell you, this little aftermarket windshield from Triumph is doesn't do anything for the wind. Literally nothing. Oh dude, bike people. Yo, we're gonna actually join these guys. What the fuck? There's like a whole ride out. Yo, we're gonna fucking join these dudes. hang out over here, man. Wonder where they're all going. We're just gonna hang back though. I don't want to be like part of their ride. That is so wild, dude. I wonder if this is like the Baker gang. Why is he pointing at that Lexus, dude? Like, I don't know. I'm gonna stay back with this guy. That's trouble. Can I join? I want to be part of it. I'm just staying way back right now. 'Cause I mean, that's like decent, I'd say decent like bike group ride behavior. It's like just stay way behind them and then just like ask if you can join. So yeah, we're just gonna observe from a distance respectfully. Acura wants to like be part of them. But I wonder where they're going. Maybe they'll pull over to a gas station somewhere. Alright. Alright. I think we're gonna go over here actually. Because I don't want to like be part of this shit and not be invited. And then they like have a problem, I don't know, like Harley riders do, because they're trying to like ride next to each other, but they're so concentrated on that like anything else you do just like kind of shits on their vibe. But that was really fucking awesome, so a little bit off the beaten track, but it's worth it. Well, I love that one. Oh man. Don't you know, true friends serve you in the front. Oh, there's a turn lane. Dude, everybody's out riding today because everybody knows it's gonna rain tomorrow. Oh, glove is loose, dude. Ugh.
Hey, that's pretty much all I had for today. If you liked it, please leave a like and comment. Let me know what you think about the video, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.